and welcome to Website Masterclass, a new channel dedicated to giving you step-by-step guides on how to create your very own website in an easy and understandable way. We will also be bringing you tried and tested reviews on all the best WordPress themes and plugins and showing you how you can use these to create your own website without the need of coding, software knowledge, or an expensive web developer. We have been creating websites for clients for over 10 years and have seen the trends and how website creating software and content management software, CMS, has become more and more easier to use. So we thought instead of clients paying web developers expensive fees, why not show them how to create their own website with simple drag and drop features that allow you to make any design you wish. All our videos are easy to follow and are updated weekly, so make sure you give us a follow by hitting that subscribe button. Your support will not only allow us to keep creating tutorials, but you will get our latest videos appearing right in your homepage. We thank you for the support. Now, let's get to the masterclass.